Hello student, today I am going to teach class 6 subject history chapter is Egyptian civilization. In last class we have done a half chapter. In this class we will be continuing with the chapter. So the first topic is religion. Religion was an important feature of Egyptian society. The sun god Ra was the most important god. The pharaoh was considered the son of Ra. Some gods were represented by symbols such as the falcon, crocodile, etc. Some other gods were Is, Oris, Horns, Anubis, and Ammon. The amble body mummy was placed in a coffin and put in a pyramid. Many objects which are used by the dead person were also placed in the pyramid with the belief that the dead person may need them. Oris. Oris is a lord of the god. Afterlife was an important god worshipped by the Egyptians. The pyramids were the tomb of pharaohs. The Egyptians believe in life after death. They believe that the body should be preserved so that the soul might live on within it. They developed the art of preserving the body to a great perfection, a process called mummification. The next topic is achievement of the Egyptian. What have achieved by the Egyptian? The first one is pyramid. The most impressive movement of Egyptians are the pyramids. This is the picture of pyramids which the Egyptians have made. So, they are a large rectangular structure. The two most famous and spectacular ones are situated at Giza near Cairo, the largest of the pyramids. The Great Pyramid was built by Pharaoh Khufu in 2650 BCE. It is one of the 7 wonders of the world and took 20 years to be built. The tomb of King Tutankhamun was found intact in the 1920s. Pyramids were the tomb of pharaohs. They contained mummies, clothes, jewelry, and many precious items. When a pharaoh died, his ambled body mummy was kept inside the pyramid. It was protected and preserved so well that it has survived for hundreds of years. This is a picture of an Egyptian mummy. Next topic is the phoenix. It is a fine example of Egyptian sculpture. It is a mythological animal with the body of a lion and the head of a man. It is carved out of a single stone. It was meant to guard the pyramids. The next is the most remarkable among them is the Great Phoenix at Giza, which is 240 feet long and 66 feet high. The temple at Karnak and Abu Simbel are very impressive and inspiring. This is a picture of Phoenix of Egypt. Next topic is Egyptian script. The Egyptians developed a kind of a picture writing known as hieroglyphic, which means CAD or holy writing. The word hero means holy and graphic means writing. Therefore, hieroglyphic means holy writing. Pictures and signs represent their ideas. It had about 500 signs. The Egyptians used pen made of reed. Ink was made up of gum and soot. They wrote on the bark strip of plant called papyrus. The word paper has its origin in the word papyrus. Mathematics, science, and medicine. The Egyptians made great progress in arithmetic. They knew about addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. They were aware of decimal and fraction. They could measure areas, volumes, and distance. They had made great progress in the field of medicine. One of their medical books gives us detailed description of blood circulation system. The achievement of the Egyptian in the field of medicine can be proved by the fact that the mummies kept thousands of years ago are still well preserved. The next topic, what contribution was made by the Egyptian in astronomy? Astronomy, the solar calendar, has been one of the greatest achievements of the Egyptians. They need an accurate knowledge of season, rains, and floods for their farming. They observed that the star Sirius appeared on the horizon when the floods reached Cairo, and this happened after every 365 days. It inspired them to make the first known calendar of 365 days in a year of 12 months. Each of 30 days, 5 more days were added to the calendar for celebration of religious festival. How the Egyptians have declined? Let's see decline. Egyptians proposed during the period of New Kingdom, but by 1000 BCE, Egypt fell on bad day. It was conquered by new power. The pharaoh had to fight for their very existence against the invader for their region to the south of Egypt in Africa, and the new power across the Mediterranean Sea. The last ruler of Egypt was Cleopatra, and after her Egypt became a part of Roman Empire. So students, this is the chapter which I have explained you. So if you have any doubt, do a comment on Facebook or YouTube. Thank you.